stuck in traffic right now, but welcome back to the Sadak Surakcha series where I talk about safety and hopefully people learn. I don't know everything, hey? Just letting you know. So, के छ भने मैले miss out गरे के better छ that you do भने please drop them in the comment section below. This is supposed to be an interactive series, I know, where you let me know what you do and I let you know what I do, and that way we both learn. But what I came to know is that our roads, 80% of all the registered vehicles around, like proximity number, is two-wheelers. But unfortunately, सबसे accident हुने पनि two-wheelers लाई नै भइरहेको हुन्छ. ट्रकको blind spots वरिपरि लापरवाही गरेर चाहिँ हुँदैन. And so this is what I wanted to talk about with you, होइन? Ani आजको topic is one of my favorite. It is literally indicators. Especially the lack their use of. म अहिले जाममा छु and I know I'm in a standstill and I do not require a indicator usage, but this is कति बज्यो? It's like 10:20 in the morning. सातो बाटोको जाममा छु. I mean, it's been a while, so I actually had enough time to set up all of this and begin recording. Why not? I know. Jam ko bela to might as well talk about different things. Ani, yeah, indicators. If you use them, great. Stick around and listen to what I do, maybe. Heck, I would love it if you commented down below things that you do. And if you don't, then maybe it's time you should. Use scooter mati, luckily. I can't show you on these. I'm in ride mode, but auto indicator off tha. And here's the funny bit. कोही motorbikers, गाडीवालाहरू हुन्छ होइन 3 kilometer non-stop left indicator दिन्छ के अनि what am I supposed to understand out of that भन्छु के अलिकति अगाडि बढ्यो तर खोलेको चाहिँ छैन गइदिउँ न त अलिकति. But anyway, what I mean is if you have your left indicator on for 3 entire kilometers, होइन keep buझ्ने हो. You're going to make so many right turns in that 3 kilometers. You're just going to confuse. Your indicators भनेको your way of like communicating on the road भन्छु के कताबाट गाडी आउँछ कताबाट गाडी जान्छ. And damn, there's a truck behind me. Like, this is a final destination moment for me. त्यो ट्रकवालाले मलाई देखाएको छ कि छैन मलाई थाहा छैन. He sits so high up from the ground. I hope he can see me, but यस्तो बेला चाहिँ मलाई भाग्नु मन लाग्छ. Watch me try to zip zap and scoot out the moment I can. Anyway, indicators. Use them on time. Use them ahead of time, Bansu. But to overuse them, don't underuse them. And here is why. Underusage of indicators, I know Nepal is a left-hand country, अनि left-hand drive country भनेपछि चोकहरुमा left चाहिँ you can technically make a left turn without having to wait. तर it isn't like that in all the scenarios. कहिलेकाहीँ चाहिँ चोकमा पुलिसले रोकिदिया हुन्छ नजा भनेर. कहिलेकाहीँ well नेपालमा चाहिँ छैन तर विदेशमा चाहिँ no left turn on indicator or no right turn on indicator if it's a right hand country भने हुन्छ के or yield to traffic भने हुन्छ. अनि त्यति बेला just give your indicators. I know left जाँदा पर्दैन left त काट्न मिलिहाल्छ तर the moment your handlebars begin rotating or your steering wheel begins turning, होइन त्यति बेला I really think you should just use your indicators. And that's that. Okay, I really can feel people getting restless किनभने यहाँ रोकेकै 10 मिनट बेसी नै भइसक्यो. ल गयो अब watch सबैजनाको हतार. I'm gonna try to be careful of the truck behind me too. But anyway, what I wanted to say was indicator. Now I'm about to do a track change from this road to that side. मेरो indicator त भलिसक्यो. I am not gonna mistake in it. अनि चोकमा rush चाहिँ गर्नु पर्दैन. Take your time. Everyone wants to get across anyway. No one wants to get stuck at a chok ni. Is my camera on or not? Yes, it is. Anyway, feel like I'm recording and camera ni on hudaina ke. Alright, indicator off. I don't need it anymore. I am about to make a left at the chok ahead. त्यहाँ फेरि म indicator चाहिँ बाल्छु. But that's before the chok. अलिकति अगाडि. Alright, I'm gonna do a lane change. I'm also gonna look to my left कोही छ कि भनेर. And yeah, that was simple. Use your indicator. अब chok आयो, I'm about to make a left turn. I'm again gonna use my indicator. Like, see, progressively using it again and again and again. You can leave it on if you think that's the better thing to do, eh? But just use your indicator, Bonsu, because that way you're like alerting everyone. Koka, ki gorde aira hunsa koti speed ma. And then when you use your indicator, it's like, eh, yo mansele left lira sa bhanera thaha chai hunsa, eh? So, always a pro tip, life-saving tip ne bhanchu yaar yo ta. It's the people who give no indicators and make sudden turns that I'm just like so frustrated with, okay? Ani, especially when, even if you're making a left turn, agadiko mansele indicator diyo bhane. The thing is, when you're turning at a chok, you always slow down. You can't do that spin, that turn at a chok at the same 40 kilometers per hour. You have to come down to like 10, 15 kilometers or even slower, depending on how tight the turn is. अनि इन्डिकेटर दियो भने ए एटलिस्ट थाहा हुन्छ यो पछाडिको अगाडिको मान्छेले चाहिँ घुम्न लागेको छ. He's gonna slow down. I should go around him, or I should slow down too, होइन? चोकमा इन्डिकेटर नदिकन काट्नेवालाहरू like they have to stop, होइन? And then suddenly म चाहिँ as the person behind, I won't expect it. Why is this truck parked in the middle of the road? Damn. Nepal. I don't know what to say. अनि इन्डिकेटर नदिँदा चाहिँ लाइक कस्तो कन्फ्युज हुन्छ कि. सडन स्ल्याम ब्रेक्स बसेसहरूको पछाडि बस्दा इज द मोस्ट स्केरियस्ट थिङ आई थिङ्क. कस्तो ऱ्यान्डमली रोकिदिन्छ यार. इन्डिकेटर दिएर रोके कस्तो सजिलो हुन्थ्यो. अनि फेरि दे स्टप इन द स्प्लिट अफ अ सेकेन्ड. प्यासेन्जर ओह्राल्नु पर्यो भन्छ, प्यासेन्जर लिनु पर्यो भन्छ. आई विश नेपाल ह्याड we do have designated bus stops. के बाटोको साइडमा ठाउँ रिङ रोडमा हेऱ्यो भने बनाएको हुन्छ, but people don't use it at all. Okay, like it is so stupid भन्छु के म चाहिँ. त्यही हो, इन्डिकेटर देऊ ज्यान बचाऊ. साँच्ची भने. It's such a joke, but like, yeah. अनि another benefit of indicators is बत्ती पहेँलो, बत्ती orange, amber हुन्छ नि, त्यो चाहिँ मान्छेहरूले टाढैबाट देख्छ कि. इट्स नट मी सेइङ द्याट, इट्स साइन्स सेइङ द्याट, है. आई थिङ्क मैले कुञ्जनाको एउटा सिरिजमा चाहिँ इलेक्ट्रोम्याग्नेटिक. डु आई हेभ लेस एयर अन माई स्कुटर टुडे? Yeah, I do have less air, so it's actually time to add air on my scooter. Alright. Check your air. What's ya? Bhai? Hawa, don't know. Well, यहाँ तल छ देख्छु. सीधा अगाडि पनि है. Yeah, using your air. कति थियो 20 कम भयो रहेछ 30 हाल्यो कति हाल्यो 30 कति भयो Anyway, check your tire pressures. The front was getting a bit wobbly. And that means it's time to fill in air. Anyway, indicator that's on there. I'll just Alright, I'm gonna continue with my video series. Indicator Bale, U-turn Didata, I'm gonna look back. Okay, this feels so much better. It was very strange. I feel like I might have a slow puncture. But the recommended on this was like 25 above, like around 30. Oh, this feels so much better. यो हावा कम हुँदा कस्तो लत्रिन्छ के भाइ अनि now चाहिँ like it feels so much more stable. Aha, so better. Anyway, when your bike needs maintenance, it's going to start speaking to you, hey. The way I caught that, okay, no, same. And when the bike starts speaking to you, that is when you should be like, okay. Luckily, I also had a hawa bharne shop, so they say bhanne bittikai hudaina. Ani yeah, if your chain sounds dry, if it's slapping around too much and loose, I know. If your brakes aren't working, best thing I can recommend you is to please just go and try to get it serviced. I'm still very confused how so weird. Today is a Monday, by the way, and so I've not ridden the bike over the weekend. Yo weekend चाहिँ मेरो एकदमै धेरै अरु कामहरु थियो plus auto show पनि भइराछ के and so it's like a lot of reviews खिच्नु पर्ने यो अगाडिको हावा puncture छ जस्तो छ slow I don't know I can't tell नेपाली बाटोमा चलाउँदा कहाँ किल्ला हुन्छ कहाँ के sharp ढुङ्गा हुन्छ अस्ति भर्खर गाडी चलाइरहेको थिएँ it got on like a sharp tile के कुन चाहिँले खाल्टो पुरिदिएको रहेछ के त्यस्तो ढुङ्गा नै त चुच्चो फुटाएको इट्टाहरू and then sharp tileहरू and I'm just swerving because like I need to check हावा फेरि कम भइसक्यो हो कि is the balance okay अघि न हावा कम हुँदा चाहिँ balance was very wobbly के anyway अनि what I wanted to say was नेपालको बाटोमा के हुन्छ and as a result I had like a cut on my tire अनि एकैचोटी from like I don't know 36 psi and above is what I keep होइन on my car 0 मा झर्दिरहेको कि I didn't even have time to like find a tire shop or anything okay? Like dang it got and then I had to like it was a nightmare so yeah नेपाली बाटो कहिले के हुन्छ कहिले कहाँ हुन्छ देखाइदै हुँदैन त्यसमाथि बर्खाको बेला I don't know how to say it but your puddles ले गर्दा हैन कहिलेकाहीँ एकदमै ठुलो हुन्छ कहिलेकाहीँ सानो हुन्छ you really don't know what's underneath them okay अनि yeah अलिकति रिस्की हुन्छ बर्खामै हुने हो मेरो सबसे बेसी punctureहरू so I won't be surprised if I have a slow puncture on my scooter at the moment it happens it can happen to anyone oh doggy electric scooter electric cars कुकुरहरूले सुन्दैन कस्तो माया नै लाग्छ के I wish they would but anyway I'm कहाँबाट कहाँ पुगिसके इन्डिकेटरको बारे कुरा गरे बर्खाको बारे कुरा गर्न थाले लास्टमा आएर oh well anyway so yeah be careful with using your indicators always make it a reflex habit होइन never think I'm giving it too much well आज त suspension test पनि भयो यो स्कुटरको yeah suspension and brake test oh. I find this scooter pretty okay the Aether 450X Oh no, this is also going to be a very long video. I apologize on that. I've tried to keep these videos 10 minutes and less, but you'd say clearly I can tell is a bit longer than that. Alright, let me do a right turn here again and take it up. Get but ride mode with a single passenger is doing the trick. It's not a long Ugalo, it's just a I don't know, bumpy Ugalo once more. गाडी साडी EV सब ल्याउँछ यहाँ or ल्याउनु खोजिरहेको हुन्छ टाइम भएको बेला. Ooh, I'm sure मेरो consumption चाहिँ अहिले एकदम नराम्रो छ, like not efficient. But yeah, it pulled up pretty nice. Anyway, I think I'm gonna also slowly end this vlog. I know I was supposed to talk about indicators, like and so drop a comment down below if you have anything you want me to add. I missed out. I know I missed out a ton. सुरुमा traffic थियो, त्यसपछि के भयो, हावा हाल्नु पर्यो के. Anyway, this has been me. So let me know what else you have in mind. Drop a comment down below. Don't be shy, and I'll see you on the next one.